The seeker remembers. I sought the truth in the pages worn, in voices loud, in knowledge born. Yet all the while, within my chest, there lay a truth, an ancient quest, not taught by minds, not learned in halls, but whispered in the silence of the soul's call, the timeless waters, deep and wide, where form and formless reside. I remember now, not from the books or law, but from a place I've known before. The seeker is the one who sees. The truth is lived, not found in degrees. Deprogrammed now, I sail the sea of infinite knowing, wild and free. I'm the question, I'm the flame, I'm the answer, eternal and untamed. There's a knowing that lives within the layers of intellect, beyond the reach of structured learning. It is unspoken, infinite wisdom that flows through the very essence of existence itself. Waiting patiently for the moment of remembrance. As I walk this path of self-liberation, I realized that the truth I seek was never hidden in institutions or granted by those with titles. No, it has always been a part of me, interwoven into my being since the inception of all that is. To remember this is to unlearn the limitations that were placed upon me, to deprogram the narratives that were designed to confine my infinite nature. The truth is not something to be acquired. It is something to be lived, to be felt in every breath, in every moment of being. And as I remember it, I feel a deep sense of humility and awe. For I am not separate from the truth. I am it, unfolding with each step I take into the unknown, into the primordial waters from which all arose. The truth I seek is not outside of me, but within. It is not acquired, but remembered. And in remembering, I set myself free like a babe.